Need some help setting up NFC for seamless payments on your Samsung phone? Hey everyone! In this guide, I'll walk you through how to use NFC to make payments on your Samsung device. Let's jump in and get started. First, go ahead and open the Settings app. Then, tap on Connections. Next, scroll down a bit. After that, select More Connection Settings. Now, make sure to turn on Nearby Device Scanning. After you have done that, go back to the previous menu. Next, tap NFC and contactless payments. Remember to turn on NFC if it's not already activated. Now, choose contactless payment from the options below. After that, pick your preferred mobile payment service from the list. Finally, follow the on-screen instructions to complete your payment. And that's it! That's how you can use NFC for payments on your Samsung phone. Hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for tuning in!